Adventist Academy. In task 1, the light will be seen in the filter F1. We want you to tell us which light you are talking about, which color. You couldn't tell us. So here you don't earn any marks. In task 2, there will be no light. Actually, in task 2, we expected a blue light. So this is not correct. In task 3, the light will be seen in the filter F2. Yes. Which light are you talking about? That was not stated. So there's no mark for that. In task 4, there will be a slight and dim light. The lights are supposed to give you colors that you mentioned. So there's no mention of any color of light here. So I don't give you any mark. And then in task 5, there will be no light seen. Of course, there will be no light seen. So 1 mark is awarded for that. Now explaining your observations. In task 3, light will be seen because the filter's F2 is translucent. That is not what we want. In task 4, there will be a dim light because the F3 was opaque. That is also not what we want. In task 5, there will be no light because the filter was opaque. I think that's what you want to say. And that is also not acceptable. Now for the applications, I did not get any application from Adventist Academy. And so they also earn 1 out of 10 marks. For Promise International. In task 1, the green light will be seen. That is not correct. We expect blue and red. It is not green. In task 2, both the red and green will not be seen. But which one will be seen? That was not written. Okay. In task 3, all the lights would be seen clearly. Which of the lights are you talking about? All the lights will be seen clearly. There's no mention of any light here. And so I will not give you the mark. In task 4, both the green and the blue will not be seen, but the red can be seen, and that is correct. In task 5, all the lights will not be seen, and that is also correct. Explain your observation in task 3, 4, and 5. In task 3, the light will be seen because it is transparent. That is not what we want. We want you to tell us that it is not a primary color, and so the lights are coming out. Okay. In task 4, the light, green and blue, was not able to be seen through it, and only red passed through it, and it is a translucent object. That is not the expected answer. Okay. In task 5, light cannot pass through an opaque object. That is not what we want to have. Okay? We want you to tell us that there's no red color in the combination, and so we couldn't have seen any color of red. Now, the application. Light travel in a transparent object or sheet thoroughly. Not too clear what that is. And the second one was light travel in translucent object, but it does not allow high amounts to pass through. Okay, so next time when you see application, you have to mention something. Mention what it is used for. Okay, what it is applied in, and it is not an explanation anymore. So with this, they earn 2 marks. Promise, hope earns 2 out of 10 for. Thank you very much. Thank you all. And thanks to our dear sponsors as well. Mentioning DEX technology, practical science, and they have really made it very, very practicable. Long learning, a lifelong learning, an essential key for development when we talk about KNUST, Institute of Distance Learning, and KNUST e-learning center is just a click. Thank you all very much. Let's give a very big round of applause to our dear contestants. Thank you. So I would announce the scores that we have so far. So far, when we finished our round 3, we had Adventist Academy accruing 1 point. We can give them a clap. Promise International School had 2 points. Celestial Hope Education Complex had 1 point. So putting round 1, 2, and 3 together, the points are as follows. Adventist Academy, 6 points. Promise International School, 10 points. Celestial Hope Education Complex, 21 points. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, thank you very much for your cheers, and I think that is very motivating to the 3 contesting schools. Now we'll move on to round 4. But before we go to round 4, we have substitution for Promise International School. Owusu Jeremiah would be replaced by Ya Aduma. Lady, you are welcome. Would you want to on the mic and speak into it? Okay, so you are welcome.
Thank you.
Would you want to confirm your name to us?
Yes.
Please do.
Ajay Adama.
Okay, welcome. Welcome to our 4th and final round. This round is the decoding the clues round. I'll need you to pay attention. In this round, questions will be read out in a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points are awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points are awarded. On the third clue, 4 points are awarded. And on the fourth and any other clue, you have 3 points awarded. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from the question and nullifies your answer, even if it is correct. Is that clear? Good. So we would want to start. We have 4 sets. We are starting with set 1. I am an ancient branch of mathematics dating back to the time of the Greeks. I delve into the properties and relationships of dimensions. Points, lines, and planes are my fundamental concepts. I deal with shapes and space. Celestial Hope.
Geometry.
Geometry is correct on clue 4. Set 2. I am a fundamental mathematical concept. Whether in geometry or everyday life, I am a powerful tool for making comparisons. My essence is the consistent relationship between these quantities. Promise International.
Ratio.
Ratio is correct on clue 3. Set 3. I am a physical quantity. My concept is crucial in the field of fluid dynamics. You often find me in the study of gases and liquids. I am a measure. Adventist Academy.
Volume.
Volume is not correct. Celestial Hope.
Pressure.
Pressure is correct. Okay, so we have our fourth and final set. This is our last question for the contest. I am a, please pay attention. They need to concentrate, please. I am a colorless and odorless gas that is abundant in the Earth's atmosphere. Promise?
Nitrogen.
That is not correct.
Number three.
I belong to the group of noble gases on the periodic table. Adventist?
Neon.
Come in.
Neon.
That is not correct.
Number 10.
Despite my lack of reactivity, I have important uses in various applications. You can find me in balloons and airships. Celestial Hope.
Helium.
Helium is correct. 4. Thank you very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And this has brought us to the end of our contest for this afternoon. Okay, thank you very much and welcome back. So we have come to the end of round 4 and the end of our contest. And at the end of our contest, I have the marks which I would announce. So on the 4th round, we had Adventist Academy earning no points, Promise International School earning 4 points, and Celestial Hope Education Complex earning 9 points. So putting round 1, round 2, round 3, and round 4 together, the final points for today is as follows. Adventist Academy had 6 points in total. Promise International School had 14 points. And Celestial Hope Educational Complex had 30 points. Well done to all schools for being brave enough for taking up the mantle to contest. We know that you did your best, and so we are hopeful that next time we are going to have even more keener contest. At this moment, I would like to say that the winner for our contest for this afternoon is Celestial Hope Education Complex. And this means that Celestial Hope qualifies for the next stage of the competition. And so, well done to Adventist Academy and Promise International School. We hope to see you next year, and we know that next year is going to be more competitive. You have done really well. Celestial Hope, are you here? Yes. BBSC. Okay. So if you are here, we would want to hear you. jubilate.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.